The check engine light came on, so I began diagnosing the issue. After connecting a scan tool, I retrieved the code P0420, Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold, Bank 1. This code typically indicates that the catalytic converter isn't functioning efficiently enough to reduce harmful emissions. To investigate further, I monitored live scan tool data while the engine was idling. I compared the oxygen sensor readings from Bank 1 Sensor 1, upstream, and Bank 1 Sensor 2, downstream. The readings from both sensors were nearly identical, which indicated that the catalytic converter was not storing oxygen as it should. This behavior confirmed a reduced oxygen storage capability, a key sign of a failing catalytic converter. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the catalytic converter to check for obvious external damage, blockages, or other faults. Everything appeared normal externally, so I proceeded to test the internal function. Using a non-contact pyrometer, I measured the temperatures at the inlet and outlet of the catalytic converter. The inlet temperature was higher than the outlet temperature, which is abnormal. A properly functioning catalytic converter should show a higher outlet temperature due to the chemical reactions occurring inside it. This result confirmed that the catalytic converter was internally faulty. Based on these findings, I replaced the catalytic converter with a new one. After completing the replacement, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to ensure the repair was successful. The vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This repair highlights the importance of the catalytic converter in reducing vehicle emissions and maintaining engine performance. A failing catalytic converter not only impacts emissions compliance, but can also lead to reduced fuel efficiency and potential damage to other components in the exhaust system. By diagnosing the issue thoroughly and replacing the faulty converter, I ensured the vehicle met emissions standards and operated at its best.